Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to guys build a number how to check in Oppo phones. Guys you want to check your phone, build a number in your Oppo phone. So then how can you check? In this video friends I will show you guys how to check phone, build a number in our Oppo phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to check phone, build a number. Open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. About phone setting guys, click here. Friends you can see guys your about phone settings. So friends you will have to click on guys this version setting. Friends tap here guys, first one setting as you can see your build number, and guys you can see baseband version and calendar version, hardware version you can check from here. Friends you can see your build number setting, and guys you want to your developer mode option guys you can on from here. You will have to click here 3 and 4 time guys, you will have to tap here, then guys your developer mode option will on. But guys now we are already developer. So like that guys you can check your build number, and guys you want to on your developer mode option you can on from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, bye, we will meet on next video, bye friends.